Welcome everyone to the Decentraland topic on price prediction for late January 2024 on a cryptocurrency which is moving great. I hope you guys have a nice weekend and enjoy yourself taking care about this specific days. What's happening at the moment is something we'd like to cover and share with you in terms of the probabilities out there for the market movements. Before we get into the topic, for those of you that are interested, we have many more educational videos on my channel, including me live trading on the market and performing on YouTube Shorts, so you can find out more about that one as well. There's many other trading videos that could inspire you and share with you details. At the same time, for those of you that would actually like to participate in my trades, you can definitely do so. Option number one is no prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you. It's a completely outsourced. It's like a done-for-you system with API trading. You give us API trading permission and we can execute the trades, and the commission is basically calculated every 7 days. So it's just commission whatever is profit out there, and that's all. No upfront fees. At the same time, for those of you that are interested about financial freedom, then the intensive private coaching is the solution for you. We're going to talk about later on. What's happening, guys, with Decentraland is something that I'd like to cover for daily candlestick on the current situation. As within the past couple of weeks, especially in 2024, the markets have been retracing big time. It was the BTC ETF approved. You had a bullish day for the alts, but then you had the rest of the 20 days out there a bearishness which costed people a lot of the money. It's interesting that the markets on this ETF news were most likely organized in a way that they pretty much accepted, approved, had a bullish momentum, and completely and suddenly dumped that into a retracement for the entire space. Alts suffered a lot. 35% basically is the decrease, the corrective movement for Decentraland. And that's big. Honestly speaking, that's big. The good part about it is that we have been confirming twice here, and we're taking out the whole liquidity, allowing the space right now to push much higher, breaking the 50 cents area and get back into the 60 cents fight as well. A 60 cents fight which is also coming with the resistance that is filled up with pressure from the upper line of the entire volume weighted average price. That is obviously not easy to be dealing with. Just like you can see that in the past, that's exactly the pace we have been rejected. So we gotta be careful at 60 cents once again for Decentraland. Is it a level we must be scared in terms of the future? Definitely not. I'd like to share with you some other things as well. We got into the 60s. It's going to be great to find a minor corrective movement, a retracement that easily could end on 55, or it could easily end on 53 golden pocket. You have two possibilities right there. And the outcome of that should be another impulse movement, which should not get stuck that quickly at the golden pocket. That's measure of the structure, should cross that and should find basically two different targets, number 2 extension and 1.618 as well. In terms of the price section, one is located on 74 cents, the other one is located on slightly above 80 cents. So from the current price action, folks, till the first major target we've got 50%, and till the next one we got around let me just measure that again, 66%. Now obviously, in order to achieve that, you need to reclaim your 60s and transform that into your support, guys. Without having the ability to perform such market movement prior, you're not going to touch those levels at all in a healthy way. This is how usually the markets have to prepare before they have the ability for a powerful impulse. Otherwise, they get stuck, they get stopped out, and they are in a position of having difficulties when it comes down to printing 40 to 50%. And you also have the stock market bearish. So it's not that easy for BTC and Ethereum to survive these days, which will also trigger some uncertainty around the altcoins. And this is why I'm pretty much careful right now with the fact that breaking above 60s is something that I'm not really portraying for January, as the main target, but most likely trying to be a little more conservative with that. 23% from the current price action is something that would actually satisfy me. Once again, this on 5x leverage is actually going to give me more than 110% on my margin, and I'm definitely happy with that in 10 days if we could achieve it. This is something that would basically put me in a position to definitely enjoy it. But at the same time, if we have the ability at that time to sort of predict the markets will continue, I'm definitely not going to miss the opportunity to ride the wave. But for the moment, as we're trading near to 49 cents, it is impossible for me to speak about levels which are almost double in price action from the current time, considering that there is still a bearishness around us. Things can go wild in the crypto space, especially in the alts, that's right. And it's great to target high. It's great to be not cutting your profits early. But at the same time, you must measure your markets at the meaningful levels, which is how I think as a trader since 2014 full-time, which is the only way basically to maximize your positions. Beautiful. This is why technical analysis and price patterns predictions are very important for anyone that is into the market, due to the fact that when it gets to the top on 60s, you need to do your price prediction at that time and see if it's worth holding till number 2 extension on 80s or not. Beautiful. Once again, for those of you that would like to be part of my trading procedures, make sure to check out. It's a completely done for you system without any upfront fees, just a commission of the profits we make. That's all. As well, we have the intensive coaching one-on-one with me directly, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade between 4 to 6 weeks. You are going to learn how to be the person that is hunting financial freedom. It's also achieving that as we're working together for the big goals. It's a coaching program where I'll teach you how to understand the language of the market, react to that, and basically have the complete comprehensive process of trading with you, with all the trading concepts, risk management, all the rules, all the strategies, all the indicators that are functioning for me for the last couple of years. You are going to learn them. Enjoy, guys. We'll talk to you soon.